So Peter, a lot of people think it's just too hard to eat out on a low-carb diet.
That's nonsense. I've been to lots of restaurants and I don't think I've ever found a restaurant where I haven't found a low-carb option.
Okay, what about an Italian restaurant though? Have you ever been to an Italian restaurant?
I have been to the odd Italian restaurant, and you don't have to have pasta and pizza at an Italian restaurant. There's always other options. There's always a meat and veg option. You might have a veal or a beef, or with a nice cream sauce, some vegetables. Just ask them to hold the potato, give you extra vegetables other than the potato. Avoid the bread, and just ask them to cook the meal in butter or olive oil rather than vegetable oils.
Good tips. What about, say, for a breakfast then? What can you do?
Breakfast is easy. I mean, there's always options: eggs, bacon, avocado, tomatoes, mushrooms. You don't have to have fruit juice, cereal and toast full of sugar.
And what about, say, fast food, food on the go? You're just in a hurry, you just want to pick something up quickly.
Yeah, look, again, you've just got to be creative. You can have a naked burger or a bunless burger with just lettuce and the beef patty. There are kebabs. There are all sorts of options. You just don't have to have the usual ones.
And of course, you can go to a supermarket.
The supermarket deli is a great place to shop. There's always cold meats, cheeses, all sorts of options at the supermarket. Really, it is not that hard.
So really, there's no excuse to not eat low carb when you're out and about.
Exactly. For more information, jump onto our Defeat Diabetes app and explore our lessons, masterclasses and recipes. And together, we can defeat diabetes.